Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Grand Wagoneer Jeep update. I don't even know what's on this video. I've been recording for, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, something like that, on little stuff. We're really close. We are gonna fill the AC at our tire sponsor for the Narc. Okay. Time to get the Jeep off to exhaust. So Logan's on his way up to pick it up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it backed up and moved under its own power and get it ready to load on the trailer. The LS Swap Grand Wagoneer, if you haven't been following along, it's got an 0253 with a 4L60. It's got the Jeep transfer case in it. It is back for the final pieces. We've got to go out to our buddy Jarrett at Hiwassee Tire and Lube, who is going to do the air conditioning side of stuff for us. And we've got to finish the brake relay for the transmission or the torque converter controller to kick down for it. And then we have to AC, torque converter, some other small things. So anyways, I'm gonna get to work. Here we go. All right, so we need to obviously get a different ECU mount for the Jeep. So I'm here at UPullIt. So I figured I'd bring the camera and get some shots of cool stuff if there's anything cool here. Here we go. All right, there we go. So see, it connects here, a couple bolts, and we'll pull it out. This is the same body as an LS harness. So essentially we're just pulling it so we can mount it, so because it mounts flat, and we can do it onto the fender of the Jeep. All right, now that it's out, you can kind of see how it works. Obviously completely flat. That way it'll lay on the fender and we can clamp. It's the computer slides in here, clamps in here, and then clamps down. So perfect. So one other little tidbit, while we're working here, you know, obviously you see a square body truck, you always gotta look at it because, you know, old trucks are cool. But I'm gonna snag one of these hubcaps because I'm gonna use these hubcaps, the one on the other side, as a template for making the tabs for the to mount my other set on the 18-inch wheels on the old truck. Whoa, look at this thing. Y'all think this was a sub-base truck? I mean, surely, right?
Cut that bitch.
Put this bitch. Like, what the fuck's in it?
Oh.
That'll draw some hate.
I got them ones.
All right. I know it's gonna piss a lot of people off, and that's why I'm doing it. So, I know the piece to block off the intake on an LS is only about 20 bucks. But you know what?
Shit.
Yeah. Built, not bought up in this motherfucker. Yeah. So we're gonna cut.
Put like right here.
We're gonna cut this bitch off
And see what's inside.
and seal it up. It's all down there.
It's all in there.
Like a whole bunch of copper.
Weird.
Show them what's right there.
Plugged up already. Look at that. Put it right on
It's
there.
already plugged. That's weird.
Boingy, boingy, boingy.
$6 worth of copper right there. Holy shit, wire house.
Yeah.
What is that? Is it like a electromagnet type deal?
I would say so, yeah.
Weird.
Right?
And then just goop that bitch up.
Oh, you can cut it down a little bit smaller. So since we know what it looks like now.
Fixed. That's how you do that for $0. That worked so well. Like, so we've got a factory bolt that runs there to hold it down. Doesn't move. Well, moves a little bit. And then I used another factory bolt to hold this down that's down in there. Perfect. Now it's all mounted, and then get it over to Hiwassee Tire and Lube for some air conditioning. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. All we've got left is the to fill the AC and do the driver O2 sensor, which will be here on Friday, which is 2 days from now. That's really about it. So it's gonna go to Jarrett Rubio's Hiwassee Tire and Lube, our sponsor for the Narcs Cart tires, to fill the AC. And then we'll see where we're at from there. I'll probably make that and the drive home video a single video, and that'll probably wrap it up. We are gonna drive the truck for a couple days, make sure there's no issues, no leaks, no overheating, no anything weird like that. And I guess that's gonna be it. So, all right, subscribe to the channel. We've got a whole playlist on the Jeep. I think it's under Grand Wagoneer. Anyways, thanks a bunch. See you soon.